Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
I eat dinner. He eats dinner. She eats dinner.
You eat dinner. We eat dinner. They eat dinner.
I ate dinner yesterday. He ate dinner yesterday. She ate dinner yesterday.
You ate dinner yesterday. We ate dinner yesterday. They ate dinner yesterday.
I drink milk. He drinks milk. She drinks milk.
You drink milk. We drink milk. They drink milk.
I drank milk. He drank milk. She drank milk.
You drank milk. We drank milk. They drank milk.
I sleep well. He sleeps well. She sleeps well.
You sleep well. We sleep well. They sleep well.
I slept well yesterday night. He slept well yesterday night. She slept well yesterday night.
You slept well yesterday night. We slept well yesterday night. They slept well yesterday night.
I wake up early. He wakes up early. She wakes up early.
You wake up early. We wake up early. They wake up early.
I woke up early. He woke up early. She woke up early.
You woke up early. We woke up early. They woke up early.
I brush. He brushes. She brushes.
You brush. We brush. They brush.
I brushed. He brushed. She brushed.
You brushed. We brushed. They brushed.
I clean. He cleans. She cleans.
You clean. We clean. They clean.
I cleaned. He cleaned. She cleaned.
You cleaned. We cleaned. They cleaned.
I cook. He cooks. She cooks.
You cook. We cook. They cook.
I cooked. He cooked. She cooked.
You cooked. We cooked. They cooked.
I wash dashes. He washes dashes. She washes dashes.
You wash dashes. We wash dashes. They wash dashes.
I washed dashes last week. He washed dashes last week. She washed dashes last week.
You washed dashes last week. We washed dashes last week. They washed dashes last week.
I drive. He drives. She drives.
You drive. We drive. They drive.
I drove. He drove. She drove.
You drove. We drove. They drove.
I walk. He walks. She walks.
You walk. We walk. They walk.
I walked. He walked. She walked.
You walked. We walked. They walked.
I talk. He talks. She talks.
You talk. We talk. They talk.
I talked. He talked. She talked.
You talked. We talked. They talked.
I write a ladder. He writes a ladder. She writes a ladder.
You write a ladder. We write a ladder. They write a ladder.
I wrote a ladder yesterday. He wrote a ladder yesterday. She wrote a ladder yesterday.
You wrote a ladder yesterday. We wrote a ladder yesterday. They wrote a ladder yesterday.
I read a novel. He reads a novel. She reads a novel.
You read a novel. We read a novel. They read a novel.
I read a novel. He read a novel. She read a novel.
You read a novel. We read a novel. They read a novel.
I run in a park. He runs in a park. She runs in a park.
You run in a park. We run in a park. They run in a park.
I ran in a park. He ran in a park. She ran in a park.
You ran in a park. We ran in a park. They ran in a park.
I jump in a pool. He jumps in a pool. She jumps in a pool.
You jump in a pool. We jump in a pool. They jump in a pool.
I jumped in a pool. He jumped in a pool. She jumped in a pool.
You jumped in a pool. We jumped in a pool. They jumped in a pool.
I dance a party. He dances a party. She dances a party.
You dance a party. We dance a party. They dance a party.
I danced a party. He danced a party. She danced a party.
You danced a party. We danced a party. They danced a party.
I sing a song. He sings a song. She sings a song.
You sing a song. We sing a song. They sing a song.
I sang a song. He sang a song. She sang a song.
You sang a song. We sang a song. They sang a song.
I play cricket. He plays cricket. She plays cricket.
You play cricket. We play cricket. They play cricket.
I played cricket. He played cricket. She played cricket.
You played cricket. We played cricket. They played cricket.
I work at home. He works at home. She works at home.
You work at home. We work at home. They work at home.
I worked at home. He worked at home. She worked at home.
You worked at home. We worked at home. They worked at home.
I study French. He studies French. She studies French.
You study French. We study French. They study French.
I studied French. He studied French. She studied French.
You studied French. We studied French. They studied French.
I call my friend. He calls his friend. She call her friend.
You call your friend. We call us friend. They call our friend.
I called my friend. He called his friend. She called her friend.
You called your friend. We called us friend. They called our friend.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.